This is the FIFINE Ampligame A8, a plug and play cardiac USB mic, and I'll give it a 4/5 for the best value mic under $50 because it is so easy to use. What's up guys, it's Michael. We are going to start with the external features of the mic, and before we do that, the audio you're currently listening to is recorded with this mic plugged into my system directly, and I am recording through Adobe Premiere Pro, not Audition, not Audacity. At the top we have the mute button, which if you tap it like I'll do now, but now you can see I have unmuted it, and if I tap it you see that red light. That means it is not recording or your voice won't be picked. At the back we have the soft touch button here, which helps you to change the color of the mic like this. Yeah, so but I'm going to change it back to green because that is the color of the channel. While at the bottom down we have the volume knob at the back, which is awkwardly placed for me because I might want to record and I'll just plug my mic and I'll forget that, oh, I need to adjust the volume knob, which is kind of a deal breaker for me. It might not be a deal breaker for you, but I like just doing it fast. At the front we have nothing, and this is a bass stand which you can keep on your table if you are like doing a Zoom call. There's another stuff you can use for holding your boom arm. If you buy that separately, it doesn't come with it. It's only the bass stand that comes with it. Underneath we have a Type-C port which I plug into for recording, and we also have the headphone jack, which if you are like doing a podcast or so, you can use it to monitor your audio real time. This is a cardio mic, which throughout this video I have been recording directly to Adobe Premiere Pro like I said earlier, and I did not edit the audio because I am still learning how to do that. So what do you think about the audio quality? For me, it sounds amazing, and let me tell you, the best audio settings before you edit it on this mic is to set the volume knob slightly above half. That is like 60%, which like that is what I'm currently using to record to you guys. This stand is basically for people on their desk and they're like always on a Zoom call or so, or for gaming, but I prefer the boom arm which I recently ordered and I'm waiting for it to come. But yeah, this is the mic quality. Let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you like the style of video, and if you notice, this is the mic I've been using for all my TikTok videos because it is just the best. It's better than my lav mic. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment, share, and I'll see you on the next one.